Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Peruvian gastronomy, Ají de Gallina, a delight to the palate. Ají de Gallina is an iconic dish of Peruvian gastronomy that has evolved throughout history. In its origins, this dish had more similarities with a dessert than with a main dish. It was based on the Menjar Blanc recipe from Catalonia, Spain, which consisted of chicken breast boiled in pieces, seasoned with sugar, walnuts and almonds, and thickened with flour and rice. This preparation arrived in Peru during the colonial era. In Peru, ají de gallina was adapted to suit the local palate. Ingredients such as chicken breast, rice and walnuts were kept. However, the almonds and sugar were replaced with pecans and yellow chili pepper. This last addition gave the dish its characteristic color and spicy flavor, distancing it from its sweet origin. Ají de Gallina became popular in Lima in 1839 when the Lima police reported on its consumption in inns and restaurants in the city. The recipe consisted of shredded chicken meat, a sauce of onion, garlic, chili and pieces of bread, accompanied by potatoes. Today, this recipe has evolved even further, and Peruvian families often prefer to use chicken instead of hen due to the difference in price, availability, and the softer texture of the meat. Additionally, additional ingredients, such as slices of boiled egg or whole olives, have been added to enrich the dish. Ají de Gallina has also become a popular filling for entrees such as taquitos de ají de gallina and empanadas de ají de gallina. This evolution is a reflection of Peruvian gastronomy's ability to adapt and reinvent itself over the years, creating delicious and unique dishes. The ají de gallina recipe is another of the great wonders of Peruvian food. It has a mixture of interesting ingredients that give it a unique, extremely delicious flavor. Its appearance is that of a creamy, stew-like, yellow dish. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken breast with bone. 3 Peruvian yellow chili peppers. 1 large onion. 3 garlic cloves. ½ cup evaporated milk. 4 walnut halves. 2 packages of soda crackers or 2 slices of bread. 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese. Salt to taste. Pepper to taste. 2 potatoes cut into slices. 4 black olives. 1 boiled egg. Preparation: 1. The first step to make this chicken ají recipe is to cook the entire breast of the animal in a pot with water, without salt or anything. When it is ready, reserve the broth and let the meat cool. Then remove it and reserve. 2. Make a paste with the yellow chili, remove the seeds and veins and blend with a little bit of the chicken breast broth until it has a creamy texture. Booking: 3. Grind the walnuts in a mortar and set them aside as well. 4. Chop the soda crackers, or bread, with your hands until they are practically powdered. You can help yourself with a mortar or a food processor. Reserve, again. 5. Heat a deep frying pan and sauté the previously finely chopped garlic and onion. 6. When the onion becomes transparent, add the chili paste, mix well and add salt and pepper. 7. In another container, combine the soda crackers, or bread, with a little chicken breast broth until you have a thick mixture as seen in the image. 8. Add this dough to the pan with the sauce. Stir well and add the ground walnuts and chicken breast. 9. Add 1 cup of broth, and lower the heat so that it cooks for a while. 10. While you are making the recipe, you can clean and peel the 2 potatoes, chop them into slices and steam or boil them until they are done. You are going to use them last when serving the dish. 11. After about 5 minutes, add the Parmesan cheese. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. 12. If it has thickened a lot, you can add more broth. If it is very watery, you can add more cheese. 13. When a total of 10 minutes have passed since you lowered the kitchen temperature, remove from the heat, add the evaporated milk and stir well. 14. Serve hot and enjoy. Presentation and ideal accompaniments for ají de gallina. Traditionally, ají de gallina is served with white rice. On a large plate, place a generous portion of the rice on one side, then, on the other side, place the previously parboiled potatoes and pour your portion of ají de gallina over them. To decorate it, use half a hard-boiled egg and 2 black olives, or more if you prefer. Regarding the boiled egg, you can do it in advance in a pot with water, in the traditional way. Whenever you feel like it, you can put some extra raw yellow chili on the chili or on the rice if you want an even spicier flavor. That's it. A delight to the palate. Subscribe and follow us on our social networks, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.